Come out of the car now or get tased! On the ground! Okay. I apologize. 36 and okay.
13 Delta, can you verify your tag plus one? I put in a extra vehicle.
Charlie, final stop will be at Leighton Park. It's a blue Audi Q7. Blue, can you roll down all the windows, please? Can you roll down the back windows? I can't see into them, please. Thank you. Just got to make sure. All right, you're good. All right, so
yes, sir.
I'm Officer Canoper, St. Petersburg Police Department. I pulled you over because the tag comes back registered to a person that has a invalid driver's license at this time. So their license has been revoked. So I need to see your driver's license, please.
And can I see any information about that? Sorry.
Not right now.
Oh, why not? I'm
Because
being pulled over for it currently, and you're stopping me and
all right,
intruding
so
into my days.
Got an uncooperative driver. Can I have another officer, please? All right, because right now this is the way it's going to go. You're going to give me your driver's license.
Can you get your supervisor?
Yes.
Then?
No.
All
right. First, give me your driver's license. I already gave you my name.
Canoe.
All right. So give me your driver's license.
Why?
Give me your driver's license because
you don't even have a scanner for that.
At this
sir.
point, right now, you have to give me your driver's license.
Or what are you going to do? Shoot me?
No, I'm not going to shoot you.
Yeah, because you can't. My hands are here and I'm doing nothing wrong, and you have no right to pull me over. So get your supervisor. Can't. My hands are here and I'm doing nothing wrong, and you have no right to pull me over. So get your supervisor.
15 Charlie, have him step it up.
You step it up or step it down.
All right. So,
won't you? And you ain't getting shit. Just to let you know. So you can keep the light here until your supervisor comes. What do you mean?
So at this point...
What? What do you mean?
So at this point...
What?
At this point, you have to give me your driver's license so I can...
Until what? Or what?
Okay.
What did I do wrong,
because
sir?
at this point, you're obstructing.
Sir, what did I do wrong?
At this point, you're obstructing. You can be arrested at this point.
Get your supervisor.
Do you understand? So...
Arrested for what?
Obstruction.
Of what?
Of this traffic stop.
Of what traffic stop?
Okay.
What did I do wrong, sir? Where's the information if I did something wrong or any of that?
Yes, because...
but where is it?
Okay, right now, at this point, you have to provide me with the driver's license. It's not optional.
To show your supervisors to me, so...
No, I don't at this point. So at this point...
de-escalate the situation, sit in your car and wait your
situation by
then wait
your
to get
driver's
my driver's license, sir. So won't you do the proper thing?
So give me your driver's license, all right?
No, you can have my bank card.
I don't want your bank card.
It has more information than the driver's license that you're not going to get. So get your
driver's license, all right?
Sir, what do you like?
So at this point, I need you.
Excuse me, you're flashing light in my face.
So at this point,
I
need you to. Yes, I do.
So
okay?
Where is
so
it?
At this
Show
point,
me the right
give
or
me
anything.
your driver's license. All right.
Or what are you gonna do?
All right. I'm 10-4, just uncooperative.
Look what you're doing.
Yep.
Yeah.
He needs to go in handcuffs.
Excuse me? Why are you ripping me out of that car?
Come out. Come out of the car now or get tased. On the ground. On the ground.
Let's go. Taser, taser, taser. Back up now. No.
I'm just trying to see if he's okay. I just want to see if he's okay.
All right.
met out here so
16 Charlie can release it. Everybody can slow down. I'm sorry, what?
Can we get met out here so I can go and get these?
No, they pop
shot
out.
at me?
They just
All
pop.
right,
They
so
pop
can
out.
we go? Can I get my shoes?
Nope.
You gotta get my
Something in
shoes.
his back pocket.
Yeah, it ought to be something to fucking like get my shoes around this bitch, cause y'all tripping, bro. Like the you mean? If I was butt ass naked, I have to have clothes on, would I not? So where's my rights or anything? And y'all didn't read me rights. And why am I being pulled over in the first place without no proof or anything and no anything? So y'all better have stand in court like my dick gonna be in your mouths, y'all nasty ass. Y'all.